Hey, what's up guys, Simran here, back again with another video, and in this video let's unbox the brand new phone from Realme, that is the Realme 6i. I recommend you to watch this video till the end and let's begin. The box comes in yellow color, as yellow is the brand color for the Realme. On top it is written #1 quality smartphone brand. On the back, you will find few of the specifications of the camera, display, battery and the processor. The price mentioned on the box is Rs 14,999, but you can get it for Rs 12,999. You can grab it online or from the nearest N4U mobile store. The best buy links are given in the description of the video. Let's quickly unbox the smartphone. The phone comes in Eclipse Black and the white color. Inside the box, you will find a SIM ejector pin, a silicone case, and some documentations. And now comes the phone itself. And then you will find a Type-C USB cable along with 20 watts travel adapter. On the box, it says 13 watts charging is supported, but still you will get a 20 watts charger inside the box. On the bottom, you will find a Type-C USB port, a microphone, speaker grill, and the headphone jack. On the left, you will find the volume control and a SIM tray which also supports a microSD card. On the right, you will find a fingerprint scanner which is also a power control button. Let's take a look at the specifications. The phone comes in 4/6 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage and with a battery of 4300 mAh. It has a MediaTek G90T processor, which is a good processor for gaming in the budget segment. If you want a dedicated video for the gaming on the Realme 6i, then do let me know in the comments down below. Realme 6i is following the trend of 2020. It comes with a quad camera setup. Primary camera is a 48 megapixel sensor with f1.8 aperture. Next is ultra wide camera with f2.3 aperture, and then a macro camera of 2 megapixel, and then a black and white portrait camera of 2 megapixel. On front, you will find a 16 megapixel selfie shooter with f2.0 aperture. The phone has 6.5-inch Full HD display which has a refresh rate of 90 Hz. And this is the first smartphone to support a refresh rate of 90 Hz under the budget of 13,000 Indian rupees. The only drawback of using the screen on 90 Hz is that it drains the battery too fast, but at the same time it provides a good user experience. Let's go to settings. Screen and brightness, screen refresh rate. You can set it to 60 Hz or 90 Hz or to the auto mode. Coming to the software department, the phone comes with Android 10 on top of Realme UI 1.0. This phone is going to give a tough competition to the Redmi Note 9. Overall, Realme 6i is better than the Redmi Note 9. So this was the unboxing and the overview of the Realme 6i. Soon I shall be making more videos on Realme 6i, so make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. And if you're planning to buy the Realme 6i, then do visit the nearest N4U mobile shop or its websites for a discounted price. That's it about this video guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.